Good morning and happy weekend. I wanted to do a quick intro in here. Well, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. I want to do a quick intro in here before I get to the car because we're going on a surprise trip and I don't want my nephew to hear me. So we're going on a surprise trip to Vermont, Rutland Vermont for a monster truck show. So my nephew, if you didn't know, he's so much in love with monster trucks. Like he really loves monster truck. So we're going there for a monster truck show. But anyway, it's in Vermont. It's 4 hours drive away, but I'll show you all how it's going. I'll show you all everything. I gotta rush out now because they're waiting for me downstairs. We are here. Thank you. Okay. We should go like this. I need to see where we're going. It's a surprise.
We are here. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Why are there so many people over there? There's so many people over there.
There's so many people, really. Tiwa, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, you carry your bag?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you going exactly? Say the people.
I'm getting...
Did they take a photo? Get it. It's so scary. See why it's what? So scary. We're going through the tunnel. It's so dark in here. You gotta see the real life monster trucks. Look at that. Oh, no, you giving mommy a hug? Thank you. Is it a monster truck, Zuria? We're in line to take a ride. Well, I'm not taking a ride, just Zuria and Tiwa. In line to take a ride on the monster truck that were right there, but they're starting now, so we're just gonna be here in line while they start and then we watch from here, and once we're done taking photo we go sit down. We already found our seats, so we're just here waiting.
I didn't hear every one of you say that. Are you ready to feel the thunder? Let's get these trucks fired up right now. again. So make some noise real quick. To my Battlegrounds USA BMX Freestyle team announcer, Kyle. Kyle, take it away for BMX Freestyle.
How's it going, Vermont? Come on, Rutland, you can do better than that. How's it going, Vermont? All right, as we called out, we are Battlegrounds USA. We are a group of riders from all around New England. Dropping in first out of Massachusetts, we have Kane. No more. Let's hear it for Kane. Next on the deck, legendary rider out of East Providence, Rhode Island. Let's hear it for Kevin Robinson Jr. No holding back. Wow, all right. Next on the deck, out of Foxborough in Mansfield area, Massachusetts, we have James Frazier.
Oh, shit. Hey, Massachusetts, we rep you.
Yeah, James. Next, our most local rider from New Hampshire, we have Brody. Whipping it out for the crowd. We got one of our most dedicated riders for Battlegrounds. Let's hear it for Cam. Oh, man down. He's good. He's okay. Let's hear it for Cam one more time. Dropping in next. We got Anthony. Personally, one of my favorite riders about to drop in out of the Boston area, Massachusetts. Let's hear it for Isaiah Dias.
You can do it.
Massive 360 tail whip. Getting loose. All right, we're back to Cade. What's Cade got on round two, folks? Whoa, a Peter Pan. Dudes are getting wild. All right, Kevin's back on top. He already started off with a flip tuck. What does he got next, folks? Let's hear it for Kevin one more time.
Yeah.
A 720! Oh, geez, James, I guess the pressure's on. What do you got, bud? Oh, he might do something slow. Oh, front flip! So close! Brody dropping in again, a New Hampshire native. Only had about an hour commute for a 360 in front of everyone here. Let's hear it for him, Rutland. Oh, Anthony dropping in again. I didn't even have time to backflip it. Oh my goodness! Oh, wow. I'm sorry, I got a little carried away there. That was wild. hear it for Anthony one more time. Isaiah Dias out of Boston, Massachusetts. Leaving the streets to do tail whips. That's 1, 2 tail whips for Isaiah. Cade coming in hot. Our youngest rider on the course today. Let's hear it for Cade. No more. Oh!
That's right, youngest rider.
Gotta love that first show vibe. Couple of guys getting loose already.
Going up, Knox going up, next rider coming up, here comes Christian Boutry, trying to find his groove, young man out of Harrisburg, Vermont, up and away, oh, taking it right down, nosing it over, getting the feel for the gap. AJ, here he comes, AJ going up and away, what is that twist, nice job AJ. Here comes Jan Knox, up and away, nice Irish step to the side. Boutry getting set to go up, 310 racing, up and away, looking good with a one-hander.
We are done. Whew. It was wild. Dust everywhere. Dust everywhere. We are done. My shoes. Look at them. Look at my shoes. Can you guys see?
Nobody see you take up the battery of daddy.
And it's so hot. It's so hot. Saturday hot. Okay, so it was fun, it was lovely. we really had fun. Well, my nephew Zuriel had fun. We're very much what's the word? That's what's most important, right? So he had fun because we know we can't drive 4 hours yet just for him to say he did enjoy it. So he enjoyed it, and then we took him some photos. Oh dear Lord, I have a headache. We took some photos, and what was I going to say? Oh, so we were gonna go somewhere else. So we had planned that after this thing, because this is only for 2 hours, we had planned that after, it's 4 o'clock right now, we had planned that after this we would go somewhere, you know, I don't know, somewhere else basically in this city to just explore whatever. But as we are right now, we are tired, so we want to go back home. Because imagine being tired already and going to do more activities and even get more tired and then having to drive back home. So yeah, no, we're gonna start heading home now, and then that way we can also get home back on time before it gets super dark. So yeah, that is the updates. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging anything tomorrow, or maybe I'm gonna put it separately, but if I don't, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you another time.